Today's video, we're just going to show you about how to open a bank account in Thailand if you're coming here as a foreigner, guys. I think a lot of people got questions about this, so let's get on with today's video. The visas that you can open a bank account on in Thailand are the non-immigration visa, so the marriage visa, the business visa, the retirement visa, and the education visa. Also, if you have a work permit here in Thailand too, you can open a bank account. The other two visas you can use are the long-term resident visa and the Thailand Elite visa. All these are okay to open a bank account in Thailand. Things you need, obviously you need a valid passport with the visa stamp in your passport, you know, the retirement visa or the marriage visa in your passport. You need a Thai phone number, so you need some kind of Thai phone number with a Thai SIM. And then you also need proof of address in Thailand, guys. Next, you need one of these three things. You need either a utility bill from the condo you're staying at, you need some kind of lease agreement or hotel booking, or a letter from the embassy, school or employer, guys. Some of the best banks you can use in Thailand, I think, are Bangkok Bank, Kasikorn Bank, Krungsi, I think it is, and SCB Bank. I'll put them on the screen down below. Them four are pretty foreigner friendly. Obviously branches vary. Okay, really important. I would choose to open your bank account in a tourist area. It makes it a little bit easier. The bank staff will speak English. They're going to be used to foreigners going in there and opening bank accounts. You might have problems if you go to some rural area and try and open a bank account, even with the right visa. So ask for a savings account, bring all the right documents. Obviously, all the right documents need to be photocopied. That's a big must in Thailand. They always want original photocopies. They want originals and photocopies in Thailand, always. You'll have to deposit 500 to 1,000 baht into the bank account when you're opening the account. Obviously, some kind of deposit. And then you'll get like your debit card or credit card or whatever you're getting from the bank. And then usually they fix you up with online banking. You know, everyone uses online banking in Thailand. I've used it myself on both my banks I use in Thailand and no problems whatsoever. It's fantastic service. Some pro tips: go early in the day. Banks get very busy and, you know, take time to get seen. I think in all countries now. Another thing is dress nicely. Put a shirt, tie and trousers on. I know it sounds weird, but this is Thailand. And trust me, it's a good thing to do. Especially if you're doing some kind of business like this, you know, some kind of visa or, you know, opening a bank account in Thailand. It's possible to take your Thai friend with you. So if you have any hassles with communication, they can translate for you. This is why it's really important to open a bank account in a foreign tourist area like Hua Hin or Pattaya, Phuket, Bangkok. They're so used to foreigners going in there and it will just be easier. There's bound to be someone who's done it before. So this is not an exhausted list of what you need. Every bank differs exactly what they want and every branch of the bank can differ as well. So I would go in one day and just try and say, I want to open a bank account, and then ask them what documents do I need, and then come back the next day, and then you definitely know it's going to be the right documents for that particular bank and branch. ATMs in Thailand, you won't be charged if you use your own bank, but if you obviously use a different bank and put your card in to draw cash out, they're going to charge you a fee. If you use your card, you know, in a different country, there'll be two fees, like a withdrawal fee and a transaction fee, guys. If you're transferring money into the bank from a foreign bank, you know, you'll have international transfer fees with the banks. So there's normally two different fees. But fees will vary bank to bank, so check with your individual bank which one has the best fees so you can open the best bank account for you. There's also a little annual fee you have to pay for the card every year. I think that's pretty standard in Thailand for each bank. Everyone in Thailand now is using online banking, guys, so make sure they set you up with the online banking app. Then you can pay with the QR code. So very, very easy, and it's the best way to go in Thailand now. Most places accept the QR code and you can pay with your phone now with the bank app. And you can say scanjai means to, I want to scan to pay. Okay, so that's a bit of a tip for you. Some people opt to use TransferWise in Thailand. It has good fees, it has, fast delivery and a good exchange rate, guys. So you could use this to transfer your money into Thailand from your foreign bank account. There's two other companies you could use, Revolt, I think it is, and Monzo. So check them two out. I know someone who's used Monzo and they said it's really good. So yeah, there you go. I have not heard many people use this Revolt. So yeah, put it in the comments if you're using any of these 3 different ways of transferring money into Thailand. Sorry to disturb the video, guys. Can you help us out and just subscribe to the channel? It helps the channel out. It helps other people like yourselves who are retiring in Thailand. Thank you. For your information, these are the currency exchange rates for 1 baht at the moment. Take a look on the screen for your individual countries, guys. Unfortunately, the baht is very, very strong at the moment. So, it does affect people if you're transferring money into Thailand at the moment. It looks like it's going to get stronger and stronger. We never know what's going to happen. It's definitely true that, exchange rates are having a massive impact on retirees and expats living in Thailand at the moment. There's a lot of talk about it, be it the baht being so strong. And, it is a bit different than it used to be. When I first came to Thailand in 2012, the exchange rate was this. I'll put it on the screen now. Have a look. It's quite a bit different, isn't it? And now, have a look what it is now. Have a look. So you can see, prices, the exchange rate has changed so much, I'm getting a lot less for my money now. And things in Thailand in general have, gone up in price. They are more expensive than they used to be, People are moaning about this. They're moaning about the cost of living's gone up. People talk about living in Thailand for 30,000 baht. I think it's nearly impossible these days, to be honest. Maybe in some remote areas, and if you live very frugally, then maybe this is possible. But people are needing more and more money to come to Thailand now, I think. But what's the solution? Well, the solution is, I reckon, just come with more money. Get a bigger pension, work harder, get a little bit more money, and then come on over here. But you can still, live remarkably cheap in Thailand, guys. This is just my experience of living in Thailand over 12 years and, 15 years visiting Thailand. So I've got no legal experience, so you should seek professional advice if you're opening a bank account in Thailand, guys. I've just started an email list, guys. There's a link down in the description. Sign up, and in the future I'm going to be doing things on there, guys, so watch this space. Oh, if you enjoyed this video today, guys, just check this video out here. Click here.